Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to extract .rar and .7z files without using any third-party software in Windows 11 computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, you can see on my desktop home screen I have two files. So let me show its properties. So the first file is a 7-zip file with the extension .7z, and the second file is a RAR file that is with the extension .rar. So if we double click on it, you can see here we don't have any default application to extract this RAR or .7z files on our Windows 11 computer. So firstly, just open the settings and just select the system on the left side and just scroll down below and click on this about. Now here you will see here Windows specifications. Now right now you can see the version, that is the Windows 11 version that my respective Windows computer is using, is 21H2, and you can see the OS build number. So you need to update these versions to either 22H2 or higher than that. So for this, what you need to do is under the system option, again you can see here Windows update. So you need to click on it and you need to update the Windows versions to the 22H2 or higher than that. So firstly, check for any updates if it update is available or not. So finally, I have updated my Windows 11 operating system. So let me show you its version now. So right now you can see I've updated to 22H2 version, and you can see the OS build number. So you need to update to this version. If you have a older version like 21H2, then you need to update to this version, as well as the OS build number should be this one or higher than that. So firstly, update it. Then now just double click on the respective 7z or RAR files. So just double click on it. Now we'll see here tons of options. Now you can select the file explorer, just select it. Now click on just once. Now you can see you can extract this file. Just select the file. Now just right mouse click, and now you can copy it and you can paste it. So finally we have extracted the 7z files. Now let us do the same thing with the RAR file. Just double click on it. Now once again select this file explorer. You can select always also, or select just once, whichever you like. So the folder is empty right now. We don't have any file inside it. So using this method, you can easily extract .rar and .7z files without using any third-party software in Windows 11 computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.